What's up guys? Xiaomi is one of the leading brands when it comes to wearable devices thanks to the company's Mi Band fitness trackers. Now the company is all set to launch its first smartwatch, yes, Mi Watch, at a launch event on 5th of November 2019 in China. Company has now shared the renders of the device. It shows that the product from almost all angles, giving us a better look at its design. As already known from the earlier released render, the Mi Watch comes with a square-shaped dial and a single crown on the right side along with a single button. The design looks quite similar to Apple Watch. Now Xiaomi has made a mistake by copying the design of Apple. They would have tried their own design, but Xiaomi will offer great specification at affordable prices. Xiaomi Mi Watch will be running a customized version of Google's Android Wear OS out of the box, which could be named as Mi Wear OS. It is confirmed to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 3100 processor, and it will also come with a support for eSIM, NFC, GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The company also confirmed that the upcoming Mi Watch can independently play music, and the user will have an option to even download the music files to its storage. Mi Watch will also unsurprisingly come with a heart rate sensor and smart home controls. The upcoming Mi smartwatch will be the first to come with the company's own branding. So these are the details we have so far about the Mi Watch. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.